We're gonna make this caldo de papa estilo de Chihuahua, which is a potato soup they eat all throughout the state in Chihuahua, and its main ingredient is Mennonite cheese.
Sounds good.
I started peeling and dicing some potatoes, but I'm missing one. If you wanna help me peel, and then we're gonna dice into bite-sized pieces. And here I have water that I've been bringing to a boil, and I'm gonna make the tomato broth. Okay, so I'm adding a pound of the ripe Roma tomatoes, and I'm gonna peel 2 garlic cloves. So I'm adding the peeled garlic clove in here, and I'm gonna add the Morita chipotle, dried chipotle chiles. Putting the chipotle in here.
Okay.
So now that's going to cook and hydrate. So now we're gonna cook some onion. I like cutting it in half and slivering it. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 very generous tablespoon of butter. We're gonna add this onion in there. The next thing we're gonna add is a potato, but we're gonna let these soften a little. Now we're gonna puree. So you want the skin to start peeling. You don't wanna overcook it to the point that the ingredients are breaking apart in the water. So we're gonna add all the tomatoes.
The garlic and the chipotle.
And then the garlic that already cooked and softened. And then we're gonna add like about a cup of the cooking liquid.
A patty cup or a semi cup?
A patty cup. ¿Sabes que en México, en español decimos a ojo de buen cubero?
Sí.
Which means like you eyeball it. And I'm keeping an eye on your onions. I want them to soften and render their flavor into the butter. And then we're gonna add a patty teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon coarsely ground black pepper. And then I measured a teaspoon of dried oregano. Okay, now we're gonna cover the blender and we're gonna puree until completely smooth. Before we add these, we need to add the potatoes. Let's talk about the next ingredient. We're adding the northern chile verde. The idea is that you wanna completely transform the skin. So you put it directly over the flames, así. You just go like that. You leave it there, and it's really fun because you start hearing it pop.
Already, yeah.
Oye.
That's not too charred? That's what, that's what
No, that's what you want. Then you put it in a bag or a container, and you make them sweat. Mira, you're so stinky, but we love you so much. Okay, I'm gonna let you do it. See how easy it peels? This is a fire-roasted chile verde cleaned by Sammy. Then I like having the bowl here because then you can use the water to rinse.
Yeah.
You make a slit, just the top coat. Quítale el stem.
Just come back like that.
See? A pound of chile verdes that I cut into strips.
How many chiles would this have been?
A pound is like between 4 and 6.
Oh, wow, okay.
Okay, now let's cut these into strips like this. Can you pour the tomato puree in here? And as this continues to thicken and season, we can talk about the cheese. This cheese comes straight from the Mennonites in Chihuahua. Not so easy to find. Like you can order it online. You can ask your Latino grocery stores if they have it. Taste a little. What would you substitute these for?
So yeah, I think Monterey Jack. Maybe cheddar.
So Monterey Jack, a light cheddar,
Yep.
Muenster. Okay, let's add the chicken broth. You just poured 6 cups chicken broth. Let's add the chile verde. Now we're gonna give it a stir. Okay, now
It keeps
let's
going
taste
better and
for
better,
salt. I know. What do you think? Salt?
Yeah, a little more salt, I think.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have it over high. Like if we weren't that hungry, I would let it simmer over medium heat for like 7 to 8 minutes. But we're hungry, so. Okay, while this simmering, let's dice the cheese. Like little square, you see? So that they melt more. We have dried oregano in the soup. I think we need some fresh oregano to garnish. Okay, so this is our topping. That's perfect. It's just so satisfying. For people who love potatoes, this is incredible.
Yeah.
You get the soft bite of the potato, flavor from everywhere, like from the broth, you get the chile strips. I love these so much.